Hey guys, Bradyland here, and today, welcome to my fourth Smoldering review. This Smoldering review is going to be on the zombie cat. So let's get into it. Let's start with the back. So there's like a tail going all the way along the side, like a skeleton zombie-ish tail. And then on the back, you can see like its leg bones sticking out on both sides. And also there's a bone there. And a bone there. And then you have like its spine right here, like going up all the way to its neck. And then on this side, you can see just the skin is just stretched everywhere on this cat. And then you can see a little bit like little bones there and bones there. And on the other side, it's the same thing, just different. So the skin's there, there's bones and stuff. Now, the feet are just two bones like chopsticks with little weird circular things. There's the feet. And there's the nails. Hard to see. Same on the other side. Now let's go to the head. The head actually you can turn it and pose it if you want it looking straight or if you want it looking to the side. I like to look into the side. And its teeth are just like skeleton, really white skeleton teeth. It has yellow eyes. Its ears are back and there's like gray skin right there. All around its eyes, and its nose is just a little skeleton nose, just a little bit wider. The back of the head is just skin. Okay, and that's it for this Smoldering review on the zombie cat. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!